Hey guys, I am Jacob Innans, and today, Alexa, office off! And today we're going to be doing a bit of a Adobe Lightroom Classic tutorial. I recommend using Lightroom Classic because it has more tools than Lightroom, the cloud-based version. And you want as many of the tools as you can so you can get your images just how you want them. Are you going to focus on my face, mate? Focus. There we go. So just got some photos I took. Same quite a while ago, but just some pictures. More like 6 or 7 pictures. Ha 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 ha. Tough. So I'm gonna go into the library. There is this assisted culling feature where it will get the pictures that are in focus, and you can select how sharp you want the focus or how soft you want it. You can even get eyes in focus, eyes open, misfires, and exposure issues for the rejects. You see your histogram here. Then you will go into your develop tab. But that photo's looking bad, so we're going to do this instead. See? We're going to do this one. Okay. So, on the left, here, if you can see my cursor, we have presets if you have any. I have North Borders preset and just the basic Lightroom ones. So I've got a North Borders Mini Pack, North Borders V4, and the 7th Era Free preset. There's your histogram. You can select the colour you want for this. I like the medium. No, I think I have it on dark grey. When you press Y on your keyboard, it will show you the before and the after. So yeah. There's a reset button, reset your whole edit. Like, you should watch your histogram. So this is just like your colors, your editing tools. And then this next tab is crop. So you can put like a nice crop on. Like that. 24 megapixels full frame. So I have quite 24 megapixels on full frame. It's different. It is a lot better. Or you can reset, which is what I'm gonna do. Here you have the remove tool. It has distraction remover, where it will remove reflections and all of that kind of distracting people. It will also remove sensor dust. You press it, it'll give you an estimated time depending on your computer you're editing on. I am on Windows. I know Mac is very good for photos, but I'm not. I game sometimes, so yeah. You also have the no, I'm not important. Sorry about that, I just plugged my hard drive in. External hard drive. So you also have this, which is the brush tool. So see this little pool here? So you can use a cursor on your mouse to control how big it is. No. The thing you want to remove is. So I'm gonna do a basic edit here. So the whites. Gonna up the exposure slightly. Gonna add in a bit of contrast. Take out the whites. No, we're not. We are gonna take out the white. We're gonna increase the highlights. Shadows are going to slight increase. Same with the blacks. I'm gonna go down to color grading, highlights, set it to a nice aqua color. Make it strong. Now we're just gonna get the car right for the sky. More like that, I would say. Not like that, more like that. Then we're gonna just make it weaker. There. Now midtones seems to be the sand, so we're going to go for a yellower tone. Not much, just a tiny bit. No, we're not. Shadows? What? There. Press Y. See the before and the after. Does that actually look terrible? That's the highlights. There, that's better. Now, I would normally do a tone curve before, but we're going to do it now. It honestly varies from picture to picture, the order. So, we are going to put in 3 points. A point there. A point there. And a point there. Here, we're going to do a slight S-curve. I think that looks alright. Like that. Not really gonna mess with the reds and greens because it's like none. Do not want to do that. You have to keep on checking. I'm not even touching the mouse. Or, if you do not want to use the sliders, you can press in and type in the number. I'm not going to export this just because I'm doing this for the video. So here it is. It's not a good picture to start with, to be honest, but yeah. Alright. Yeah, we're going to do this one. It's the final one, I believe it might actually be. Another one. Yeah, well, didn't even do a mask, so. Exposure up, whites down, highlights, contrast. There. Then I'm gonna go with the tone curve. And a bit of blue. or boom. This is my actual edit, just literally this simple. Oh, we'll just do this picture here, okay? We'll do this one.
6,
Reset.
7.
So first, remove chromatic aberration because there's a little bit. I don't really know what chromatic aberration is. White balance, target neutral, boo. Make it colder. Exposure. Up. There. That simple. No, sorry. That simple. That's how easy that is to edit. So, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys smash that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.